How to ace a school bus test easily. In order to be a school bus driver, you need to take general knowledge, passenger, and school bus written tests. This is the most sophisticated test, requiring you to know how to handle students and ensure safety. If you follow the direction given to you in this video, you will pass it easy. School bus test consists of 25 multiple choice question. Passing score is usually 80%, and you can find full pool of questions at cdlexam.com. Our teaching technique uses keywords application. Remember keywords which you encounter in this lesson. They will help you tremendously. Good luck. School bus section. Question number 1. The driver who misses the child to unload on a bus stop what should the bus driver do? You need to radio the dispatcher for direction and follow the local procedure. If you forget to unload the child, if you miss the child, if the child is missed to unload and report this problem to you, you need to radio the dispatcher first for direction and then follow the local procedure. You don't drive back, you don't stop, you don't unload. Security, safety is first. All right, you need to follow the local procedure. Question number 2. Which of the following statements about bus evacuation procedure is true? Evacuation procedure is also very important for you to know how to do it, when you do it, and what is important for you to remember: if time allows, notify the dispatcher about evacuation location, conditions, and type of assistance needed. So again, if time allows, you need to notify the dispatcher about location, condition, and what help you need. Okay, that's the correct answer. Notify the dispatcher. Question number 3. Which of the following is recommended procedure when unloading the student? Apply common sense. Tell students to remain seated until they are told to exit. Everybody familiar with that rule, okay? In flight, in any coach, bus, passenger bus, and definitely it applies here. When unloading students, tell them to remain seated until they are told to exit. Okay, remain seated. Question number 4. Most dangerous time during the school bus ride is when loading and unloading. This is statistically most dangerous time. Most of the students get injured or killed during exactly loading and unloading procedure. Okay, so most dangerous time. Question number 5. When stopping on a railroad crossing, driver must stop no closer than 15 feet. You should be familiar with this answer. You should know that from general knowledge section. That's how you need to stop before railroad crossing. 15 feet, no closer than 15 feet. Question number 6. If students must cross the street when they get off the bus, which statement is true? If they must cross the street, if your students must cross the street, so what is the procedure? In other words, the question is, what is the procedure? Crossing students should make eye contact with the bus driver and wait for the driver's signal, for you to signal them that it is safe to proceed. Okay, again, the keyword might help you: safe to proceed. Okay, you should instruct them to make eye contact with you, with bus driver. Eye contact, and wait when it is safe to proceed. Okay, question number 7. You should adjust all the outside, left and right side flat mirrors to see 200 feet behind the bus. You guys should be aware that there are 3 types of outside mirrors. They definitely should be properly adjusted. They should be not damaged. And there are 3 types of them: flat mirrors, convex mirrors, crossover mirrors. So all the time pay attention what mirrors you are asked. Flat mirrors you should be able to see 200 feet behind the bus in them, in flat mirrors. Okay? Flat mirrors, 200 feet. Question number 8. If the gate comes down as you start to cross the railroad crossing, what should you do? Safety is primary concern. You start crossing, gate comes down. What should you do? Drive through the gate. Break it if you need. Drive through the gate, but never risk to stall on the tracks. Okay? If it starts down and you already starts moving, drive through the gate. Question number 9. During loading and unloading, students, you should check your mirrors continuously, all the time. Okay? That's again obvious question. Obvious answer. Question number 10. Which of the following you should do when driving the school bus in high wind? Keep a strong grip on a steering wheel and try to anticipate gust. Again, it's common sense. In high wind, you should do what? Keep a strong grip on a steering wheel. Prevent to lose control of your vehicle. Question number 11. The CDL manual indicates that last step on picking up students at the bus stop is as follows. You should know that in a textbook there are sequence of the steps you need to follow, you need to do. And sometimes you ask it, what is the first step, what is the next step, what is the last step? Okay? And if even you don't know the whole sequence, but at least try to figure out last step when picking up student at the bus stop. What is the last step? Make final check. Make final check to confirm all traffic stops before opening the bus door and signaling students to approach. That's what you need to do. Okay? You before opening the door and signal them that it's safe to load, to embark, you need to make a final check to confirm all traffic stops. Okay? Question number 12. Which of the following statements about special danger of loading and unloading students is true? You see how many questions ask you about the loading unloading procedure, because it is the most dangerous situation during the process of students' transportation. So what is true about loading and unloading procedure? Students should be told to leave any dropped objects and move to the point of safety out of danger and get the driver attention to retrieve the object. In other words, if somebody drops something, don't let them to pick it up. Students should be told to leave any dropped objects, move to the point of safety, out of danger, and only then get the driver attention to retrieve the object. That's the, ideal procedure you need to follow. Okay? Move to the point of safety first.